Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be using my funnel builder software that I use and that I recommend you pick up if this is something you're interested in. I'm going to be showing you how to build a quick sales funnel on the fly. Let's say that you do marketing on a daily basis and you need to be able to put unlimited amount of funnels together. And you might be building multiple funnels per day. And so maybe you're running ads. Maybe you're running Facebook ads, maybe you're running Google ads, Bing ads, and you need to be able to put together funnels quickly. This tool will do that for you. So I'm in the HBA funnel builder software and it is only $25 a month. Click the link below if you want to check it out. You can go right over to the sales page, check it out. It's only 82 cents per day. And there's not going to be another funnel builder on the market that is as powerful as this and that offers so much and is the most affordable as well. So you do not have to pay $100 to $300 a month to use this. It's $25 a month, unlimited funnels. Amazing. So we're going to go over here real quick and grab a product. So I'm on ClickBank real quick and I'm on the marketplace, and let's just say we're, the health and fitness niche is probably the most popular niche on ClickBank, but let's just go with like an internet marketing type thing. So e-business, click over here. There's Rank and there's Gravity. I'm going to sort it by Gravity real quick. So we have the Click Wealth System right here. And then we have a couple different ones down here, text-to-speech software. I like softwares. And we're going to just cruise up here. Let's just check out this first one real quick. And that looks cool. It looks like a nice landing page that's just really straight to the point. And they can start watching that, and we can grab this headline. Give me 5 minutes and I will show you how. So let's just grab that headline right over here. And we're going to come back over to our funnel builder over here, and we're just going to go over to funnels. And I'm going to go ahead and just inside of test, I'm going to go down to the bottom here. You can see all these different funnels. Just add new step, right? And once you click add new step down here, you're going to have these options right here. I'm just going to push page. And then we have all these different options that we can pop up. We have so many different options. It just, they keep adding to it. And these are just the ones that come straight out of the box. And so let's just grab this one right here. There could be a video right here. If you wanted to put in the video, you could introduce yourself or something like that. Let's kind of look through here and see if there's any others. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to select this one for now. And then we're going to, what's this one called again? Click Wealth System. So I'm going to type in Click Wealth System. It's public and push add. So we have our template here. It's just a nice sign up page because you want to collect emails generally, depending on what your goals are for your campaign. But generally you're looking to grab email addresses, right? So we're going to come up here and I'm just going to Control V. So give me 5 minutes and I will show you, I will show how you can generate your first paycheck online. So we come back over here. That's exactly what that headline is right here. So I'm going to come over here and we can even grab a little bit your first paycheck online, and we can go over here and change the color real quick. We'll go with like a darker red. Okay, so breaking news, give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. We can make that bigger if we want. So just come over here and we can change so we're going to go 48 there, make it a little bit bigger. That's good. And we can also change the text, the font by coming over here. It's on Hammer. Smith 1. Let's see if we can find something else in here. Open Sans. Okay, so that looks nice and crisp and clean. And then let's see if there's anything else in here that we want to gather. All right, so there's not really much else on that page, but what we will do is put your best email in the sign up form below, and I will show you exactly how to get your first paycheck. All right, so you have your name and your email. Yes, let me in, and it's great, right? It's just a nice sign up page. We're done. So once you integrate, you'll integrate Aweber or GetResponse. I have GetResponse in here. All you do is just come over here, and we would be so right here, after they sign up, we're going to go to GetResponse, and you would just select, where you want to send the email address that you just picked up, right? So we have that. And now we just need to set up a thank you page, so you can do two things. We can set up a thank you page, and that's what I generally do. You could forward them after you gather their email address. The quick thing to do would be to come in here, go to the offer right here, click Wealth System, push promote, generate hop link, right? And you could just grab this link right here, copy the link, come back over here, and you can actually come in here and you can send them to an external link right here. And if we put this right here and just push select, then that means that as soon as they sign up and put their email address in here and their name and push yes, let me in, and you can also change this text right here, then it's going to forward them to this page right here, and then boom. So if you're running ads, that might be the way that you want to go. And then I'll show you how you could do a thank you page as well. So we'd go to funnels, and we would so we can grab this one right here, and I like to move it over into our test. So I'm going to go like that, click Wealth System, and I like to just move it up to our test up here, right? So we have our test page right here, and then now we're going to come back down here, add new step, add page, and this is going to be a thank you page, and I want to go back to the one that we just used. So we used this one, and this one kind of pairs nicely with it, so we're going to go ahead and select that one, right? And we're just going to say click Wealth System, and then thank you, so TU, it would be a thank you page. It could be a bridge page, depending on what you want to do with it. So we've got that. I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to say stay and save. Okay. Make sure to always save your changes. Funnels. See if that one actually created for us. Thank you page. All right, we're going to click on that. Now we have our thank you page right here. And then what you can do is we can actually get rid of this. You can put a picture of yourself right here, which is good. Actually, let's go ahead and do that real quick to make it kind of more personable, right? So we can just come in here. You can have all this stuff in here. Images, should have a picture of myself. There we go. So I'm just going to grab a picture of myself right here, throw that in there, make it more personalized on your thank you page, your bridge page. You can put a video up here introducing yourself as well, which is great. And in this case, you're almost in. Check your email, find your email from, from wherever you are. And I'm just going to put David in here. And then click the link to confirm you're in. And then right here, what we can do is come back over here to add widget. We could add a button, right? And then we can put the button in here. Then we can say, show me how to get my first paycheck. Something like that, right? And then we can actually, so now we have the button. You can change the button color, all that kind of good stuff, right? So then now you're introducing yourself, and another, I do like and recommend adding we're just going to put an image up here, but this is going to be a video. So pretend this is a video, right? So this is going to be your video right here, and then you're going to also it introduces you to the potential customer that you just brought in, the prospect, and now they can kind of get to know you a little bit. And then you're still not missing out on the chance of sending them over to the sales page, which is this sales page right here, right? So now all you would do is just grab that, grab your affiliate link here, come back over here, edit link, and from here you would do the external link. You'd put the URL in here, right? So then now this right here is going to send them over to that page, and then also you're going to have an autoresponder set up, right? That'd be for another video. Your autoresponder, and it would automatically send them over to that page as well, so you can keep following up with them with that link, right? So then now we just push save changes, come back over here to funnels, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the funnel from the bottom over here and drag it up to my section. That's the thank you page, and it's going to be right there. Okay. So then now what we have is we'd go back over here. And so since we're not going to send them directly to the sales page on here because we made a thank you page or a bridge page, right? We're just going to go to edit and then go to page. So we're not going to go here. We're actually going to go to a funnel step, and that one that we just created, right? We have our Click Wealth System regular lead page, capture page right there. And then we have our thank you pages right here. We're going to click the thank you page and push select, right? And then you are good. And then we'll push save changes. And so now you have your funnel set up. It takes 10 minutes or less. We set up one live in 10 minutes. So we are going to go test this out real quick. So all you do is just open up that sales page, right? teachmemoneymethods.com, Click Wealth System, right? So you're not using all the other ones. It's a branded name with any website you want there that you have set up. Breaking news, and then it just looks nice and crisp and clean. And there's dozens of these to choose from, or you can create them completely custom from scratch. So I'm going to put David in here, and then I'm just going to put in an email address. Yes, I want in. And then look, it takes them right to that bridge page, thank you page, right? Congrats, you're almost in. And then this would be a video right here introducing myself to and then showing them the product, right? And then if they're interested, you have a chance right here. They're going to get an email from you as well, right? And now you have their email address. So that's what you're really after. But you're going to get a certain percentage, probably about 30% of the people that come to this page will actually click on this button here. They click on that button, and it's going to take them, look over here, hop equals Anchorman 3. Now they have, you're sending them over to the sales page, and they're going to watch the video and all that good stuff. So that's how you build a simple sales funnel using the Home Business Academy or HBA funnel builder software. It's only $25 a month. So if you're interested, check the first link in the description below. Go over there, sign up. And I also have free goodies for you. If you do sign up under me, you will get access to my private Facebook group, and you will get access to my private training vault, where I have a lot more videos just like this one that show you exactly how to use the tool, how to get it set up and running, how to connect how to buy a domain name, how to connect it to the HBA funnel builder and get your first funnel up in less than an hour. So click that first link, and I will see you in my next video.